guys, do a quick unboxing with me. So I just got some backdrops and I decided to show you what we have now at Brandeezsignature. So this is me opening the box the backdrop came in, and I was a bit skeptical, I'm not even going to lie, because the backdrop came with the box a bit damaged. However, I was still very optimistic, and you can see me smiling here. But this smile slowly just went off because I realized that there was a dent in the backdrop, and I was also out of breath. I'm not even going to lie, because it was a bit heavy. But then the backdrop itself was not too heavy though. I don't know if you can see the dent at the end of the box. Yeah, that's the dent I was talking about. So I was really hoping that my backdrop was intact at this point. And this is me just trying to bring out the backdrop from the box. I mean, you guys know how delivery companies can be in the UK. So if you want to guess which delivery company actually did this, please put it in the comment section if you're in the UK. Let me see if you get it right. But yeah, this is me bringing out the backdrop from the box, and I can already see that it's damaged, and I was not so happy at this point. But I was like, let me see, is this something I can manage? Let's see. Let me see, can I actually manage it? And yeah, I was also struggling with the box at this point. But yeah, I successfully brought out the backdrop, and yes, I can see that it is totally damaged, and I was so sad at this point. I was really sad. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. But I was like, let me check the second backdrop and see if that is intact. So I just cleared out the boxes quickly and checked on the second backdrop. So here's the second backdrop that I'm bringing out from the box, and I can see that this is very much intact. And so this kind of gave me a bit of happiness. But yeah, I was still sad though. And when I finally opened the wrap,
high volume.